here is our new, well, not new, it's actually a very old bed. Here is our new old flower bed in the car park at Woodfarm HQ, and she is ready for some planting. And as you can see, I went to the plant place, the place that does plants. And I got some plants and some dirt.
Mostly this season, we will be growing lots of plants. I've got my best gear on and lots of these. I've got 3 trays of these things. They are plants, and I've got dirt. We have a flower bed full of dirt. It's high quality dirt. Apparently there's some bloke called John Innes buried in there. So I'm gonna plant, I don't know how many I've got, but a lot of plants. By the way, I forgot to tell you, I'm really quick. So there you go, that's it. That's how easy gardening is. Do not let anybody tell you that gardening is difficult work, because it's really easy and quick.
And as you can see, I tidy up after myself as well. I make almost no mess. And there she is. She? I guess she. There's the finished article. There is our flower bed. So keep your eyes peeled and we'll watch as she blooms.